Hi, this is Robert Phillips. I'm going to show you how I use Glyphius in this short video. Glyphius is a copywriting software tool that you can use to write sales letters or squeeze pages or any kind of sales copy. And the software here that I have opened contains a massive database of profitable and non-profitable ads. And when I type in, for example, a headline into this box here and press the score button, I will be given a score here. And what happens is behind the scenes, Glyphius compares the copy that I have written with the copy in the database um, of the profitable ads and unprofitable ads, and that way I can see how my copy compares. The higher score I have, the better. And also what Glyphius will do is if I have any words that that keep the score down, negative words, it will list those words in here with their scores so I can try to rewrite the copy without using those words. I'll also have a history log as I experiment and try different headlines. The headlines I try and the scores will be down in this box, and then up in this winners so far box, the highest scoring version of the headline, and it doesn't have to be a headline. You can write guarantees, you can write subheadlines, you can write product descriptions, order links, really anything, any part of a sales letter. So that is kind of a brief overview of what Glyphius is. Now let me actually get in there and write a headline. So mine is a WordPress blog video, and what I want to do is put together a squeeze page where I'll give away a free video in exchange for an email address. So here I've typed in a sample of a headline here, and I'm just going to click on score, and I happen to know that that was going to be a terrible score, but that's a good example for you. So what you can see here is that free, when compared to the massive database of profitable ads, free is a terrible word to use, and so is video. So my score is 8, which really is terrible. So I'm going to have to do some work with that. So let's try something else. Maybe how to customize a WordPress blog. Let's see how that scores. Okay, well that's better. I still have some negative words, customize and how. So let's try personalize. Try to think of a similar word. Change it. Now let's try score again. Oh, and now you see the score is up to 208. So it's gone from 8 to 122 to 208. Actually, you can see the in the history log down here. As I scroll, see I had a score of 8, 122, and 208. Let's see. How about if we get more specific, how to personalize the footer of a WordPress blog? Well, you see that actually made the score go down. So what I will do is hit this little V thing here, and I'm back to normal. Well, what happened was the highest scoring headline so far was just down in the text box, so I can try some other things. So let me put like the word discover in front of it. Okay, well that was good. Score went up to 274. Now let's try in seconds. Well, that was a good one. Now we're up to 366. What if it's in minutes? Not quite as good. You really can do it in seconds, so I'm going to leave it at seconds. And what else can we try here? We can put a exclamation point. That raised the score 20 points. How about if we try personalize your WordPress blog in seconds, guaranteed. That's usually a good word. Score. Oh, look at that. Now we're up to 513. And I'm going to put that exclamation point there. Score it again. Now we're up to 533. And maybe I'll try 100% guaranteed. Let's see how that works. Oh, 609. All right. So that is a short little video on how you can use Glyphius to quickly, very quickly improve the quality of your copywriting. If you'll remember, our score is 609 now, but just a minute ago I started with a score of 8. So that is a tremendous improvement in score. And you'll have to test on your own sales letters the conversion of the particular headlines. But what you can do is use Glyphius to very quickly come up with 2 or 3 headlines to test, and then you can put those to work on your sales letter, and you should make more sales. Okay, good luck. Actually, let me show you where you can get this. Let me pause for a second here. Okay. Well, I'm actually online, but this is, see, this actually is a sales letter that I wrote using Glyphius. Every component of this sales letter I put through Glyphius to get the highest scoring copy, from the headline to the product description here, the testimonial, the pre-testimonial here, and I actually even did the testimonial. Of course, I did it with the permission of the person that provided the testimonial. I asked him if we could reword it, and he agreed. I tested this guarantee headline, if you want to call it that, and I tested the that's the guarantee. I also did the this is the call to action, and this is the order link. So all of those components I quickly optimized using Glyphius to make this sales letter here. So to get your own copy of Glyphius, you can go to glyphius.com, and you can read about it here, but I've just shown you what it does. And the other thing you can do, there actually is a newer version. The version I showed you came out before Glyphius 2007, but the difference is that Glyphius 2007, well, first of all, Glyphius 2007 is updated with some more data, and also Glyphius 2000 is a CD that actually will be physically sent to you in the mail, whereas this Glyphius software is actually an instant download. So you can just decide which one is best for you, but that is how you can quickly use the tool to optimize your copywriting. So good luck with it.